With Revocable Profile Sharing, you can share single or multiple profiles with another user. It's perfect for short-term teamwork, account rentals, or any task where staying in control really matters. When sharing, there are two options: non-revocable, which you can't take back, and revocable, which you can revoke whenever you want. First, select the profile or group you want to share. Then, click Share. Choose Revocable. Enter the recipient's AdsPower account information. Click OK. That's it. The profile is now shared, but you still keep full control. You can see the shared details in the profile list, or check them in Team Action Logs Profiles. If you need to take back access, first click the sharing icon next to the profile. Then select Revoke and confirm. AdsPower will delete the profile from the recipient's account, remove all cached data, notify them, and log the action for both parties. That's it. Revocable profile sharing makes sharing flexible, secure, and fully under your control.